The motor oil industry runs on heavy marketing. Big companies spend millions on Super Bowl commercials, NASCAR sponsorships, and sleek, aggressive bottle designs. And guess what? All that money comes straight out of your pocket every single time you buy a premium jug of oil. Every year, millions of drivers spend extra money on premium oil brands, believing they are getting superior protection, when in reality, many affordable synthetic oils meet exactly the same industry standards. In this video, I am going to unmask 7 cheap synthetic oil brands everyone ignores, but they are absolute mechanical gold mines. These formulas are not just good enough. Some of them actively match or even beat the performance of boutique brands costing double the price. Let's dive in. Brand number 7, SuperTech Full Synthetic. Let's start with one of the biggest surprises in the automotive world, SuperTech Full Synthetic. Many drivers immediately assume that because it is one of the cheapest full synthetic oils on the shelf, so it must also be one of the worst. That's exactly what most people get wrong. Modern engine oils can't simply claim to be synthetic. To earn the latest APISP and ILSAC CGF 6A certifications, they must pass dozens of demanding laboratory and engine tests for wear protection, sludge prevention, oxidation resistance, timing chain wear, and fuel economy. What makes this oil particularly interesting is that it offers excellent oxidation resistance, which helps prevent oil from breaking down under high temperatures. That means it can keep internal engine parts cleaner for longer, especially in modern engines that operate hotter than older designs. SuperTech also performs impressively during cold starts, which is one of the most critical moments for engine wear. Another impressive fact is that independent used oil analyses from thousands of vehicle owners have consistently shown surprisingly low iron and aluminum wear metals after 5,000 to 7,500 mile SuperTech oil change intervals. If your owner's manual requires an APISP full synthetic oil, SuperTech is often one of the best values available. Brand number 6. Kirkland Signature Full Synthetic. If you have ever walked through Costco, then you have probably noticed Kirkland Signature Motor Oil sitting quietly on the shelf. Most shoppers overlook it because they assume it is just another private label product. In reality, it meets the exact same APISP and ILSAC CGF 6 standards required by many premium oils costing significantly more. One reason this oil deserves attention is its protection against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI. LSPI is a dangerous form of abnormal combustion that primarily affects small, turbocharged direct injection engines. Industry testing showed LSPI could destroy pistons in just a few severe events, which is why API introduced new testing requirements specifically to combat this issue. And Kirkland meets those modern standards. The oil also provides excellent oxidation stability. Every time your engine oil heats above approximately 230 degrees Fahrenheit, then oxidation begins to accelerate. Oxidized oil becomes thicker, forms sludge, and loses its lubricating ability. But Kirkland's synthetic formulation slows this process significantly and helps to maintain viscosity over extended service intervals. Many oil analysis reports have shown that Kirkland maintains stable viscosity even after 7,500 miles, meaning the oil doesn't thin excessively under normal driving conditions. Another hidden advantage is cost. Purchasing oil in bulk often reduces the price per quart by 30 to 40% compared to buying individual bottles. That makes Kirkland one of the best values for drivers maintaining multiple vehicles. Brand number 5. Amazon Basics Full Synthetic. This is the specific brand that trips up almost every driver because the generic online branding makes it look like a low-grade generic fluid. But it is actually a highly engineered mechanical safeguard. Just like the Kirkland formulation, Amazon Basics is manufactured under strict quality controls by Warren Distribution, meaning it shares an identical, battle-tested chemical lineage. One of its strongest qualities is deposit control. Clean pistons, cleaner valve train components, and reduced sludge formation all contribute to longer engine life. Another impressive feature of Amazon Basics Synthetic is thermal stability. Engine oil regularly encounters temperatures exceeding 250 degrees Fahrenheit inside turbocharger bearings and piston cooling areas. Amazon Basics also performs well in cold weather. For drivers who regularly order automotive supplies online, Amazon Basics offers both convenience and affordability. Brand number 4. Mag 1 Full Synthetic. Now let's talk about Mag 1, one of the industry's best-kept secrets. Unlike many unfamiliar brands, Mag 1 has been supplying lubricants for decades and is respected within professional automotive circles. One of its biggest strengths is shear stability. Every minute your engine is running, crankshaft bearings, camshafts, timing chains, and oil pumps place enormous mechanical stress on the oil. At 3,000 revolutions per minute, your crankshaft rotates 180,000 times every hour. Mag 1's advanced synthetic formulation helps preserve viscosity throughout long oil change intervals. This ensures consistent lubrication even after thousands of miles. Stable viscosity means more consistent oil pressure, which is especially important for engines equipped with variable valve timing systems. Mag 1 features a specialized FMX technology additive matrix that enhances oxidation resistance by up to 40% compared to standard APISP baseline expectations. This extreme resistance to chemical breakdown makes Mag 1 incredibly resilient in working trucks and SUVs that frequently pull heavy loads or run at elevated operating temperatures for hours on end. If you are searching for professional-level protection without premium brand pricing, Mag 1 deserves a place on your shopping list. Before we cover the next 3 brands, we need to address the ultimate trap of buying budget oil. There is a massive, legal difference between a bottle that says, meets the requirements of, it means the oil company claims they tested it. But when you see an explicit license number like Dexos 1 Gen 3, VW 502.00, or Mercedes-Benz 229.5, that is a signed receipt. To protect your engine without overpaying, follow this exact 3-step inspection every time you look at an unfamiliar budget oil. Step 1. Scan the certification seal. Locate the circular API service symbol on the rear label. Ensure the top half explicitly displays the current API Service SP designation, which guarantees the chemistry includes specific calcium and magnesium ratios to stop catastrophic low-speed pre-ignition. Step 2. Audit the OEM approval codes. Flip past phrases like recommends or meets the requirements of. You are looking for a concrete, multi-digit alphanumeric code, such as Dexos License D335BBBC078 or MB Approval 229.5. Step 3. Verify the global registry. If an unfamiliar budget brand claims a high-tier factory approval, pull up the official online registry for GM Dexos or the Mercedes-Benz Bevo operating fluids list on your phone to confirm the brand's license is active and authentic. Now that you know how to read the back of the bottle, let's look at the remaining oil brands that utilize high-end engineering while keeping low-end pricing. Brand number 3. Havalon Pro DS Smart Change Box. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated synthetic oils on the market, Havalon Pro DS Full Synthetic. The first thing you'll notice is the 6-quart Smart Change Box. Most synthetic oils are sold in 5-quart jugs, which force many drivers to buy an additional 1-quart bottle because today's engines commonly require between 5.5 and 6 quarts. But Havalon eliminates that inconvenience by including 20% more oil in one package, saving you time, reducing waste, and often lowering the overall cost of an oil change. It also provides outstanding protection against oxidation, wear, corrosion, and high-temperature breakdown while helping keep turbochargers and piston rings cleaner over long oil change intervals. These features make Haviland Pro DS Full Synthetic an excellent choice for both naturally aspirated and turbocharged engines. Whether you drive in stop-and-go city traffic or take long highway trips, this oil maintains stable viscosity and reliable lubrication throughout the recommended oil change interval. Brand number 2. Kendall GT1 Max with liquid titanium. If there is one synthetic oil that deserves far more attention than it gets, it's Kendall GT1 Max Full Synthetic. Owned and formulated by Phillips 66, this unique synthetic option is infused with a proprietary chemical technology known as liquid titanium. This advanced additive works at the molecular level, bonding directly to hot iron and steel surfaces inside the engine to form an incredibly tough, wear-resistant shield. Laboratory electron microscope scans confirm that this titanium barrier reduces boundary friction by up to 20% compared to conventional non-titanium synthetics, which directly translates to lower internal operating temperatures under high RPM stress. Lower evaporation translates into reduced oil consumption between oil changes, more stable viscosity, and better protection during long highway trips. Drivers who routinely cover 15,000 to 20,000 highway miles per year especially benefit from this characteristic. Another reason many professionals trust Kendall is its broad list of approvals. GT1 Max exceeds the latest API and ILSAC standards, supports GM Dexos 1 Gen 3 specifications on applicable grades, protects turbochargers, helps prevent sludge and varnish formation, and is suitable for vehicles operating on ethanol-blended fuels up to E85. Brand number 1. Ultra One Plus Full Synthetic. Ultra One Plus is one of the fastest-growing synthetic oil brands that many drivers overlook simply because it doesn't spend millions of dollars on television advertising. Don't let the low price fool you. It provides excellent protection for modern gasoline engines. The oil is engineered to resist oxidation, reduce sludge formation, and protect critical engine components such as camshafts, timing chains, and bearings from premature wear. This brand doesn't buy stadium naming rights. That's why they focus their entire capital budget on high-end chemistry and earn prestigious manufacturing accolades and a genuine GM Dexos 1 Gen 3 factory approval stamp. In fact, their latest generation fluids are engineered to meet and exceed the newest industry benchmarks and show a remarkably stable kinematic viscosity of around 8.6 centistokes at 100 degrees Celsius. The bottom line of this video is, don't judge an engine oil by its price or marketing. The smartest drivers don't necessarily buy the most expensive bottle. They buy the oil that meets their vehicle manufacturer's specifications, change it on time, and use a quality oil filter. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.